Scaling your AI startup. Growth strategies for post-funding success. Introduction. Congratulations on securing funding for your AI startup. With the right strategies in place, you can now focus on growing and scaling your business to new heights. In this video, we'll explore proven growth strategies that will help your AI startup succeed post-funding. 1. Establish a clear growth roadmap. Now that you have funding, it's essential to develop a well-defined growth roadmap that outlines your short and long-term objectives. This roadmap should include specific milestones and KPIs that will help you track your progress and make data-driven decisions as you scale your AI startup. We'll discuss the key elements of a successful growth roadmap and how to set actionable, measurable goals for your business. 2. Assemble a strong team. Building a talented team is crucial for your AI startup's growth. Focus on hiring experts in AI, machine learning, and data science, as well as professionals with strong backgrounds in sales, marketing, and operations. Remember that a diverse and inclusive team can lead to more innovative solutions and better overall performance. We'll discuss the importance of a strong team and provide tips on how to attract and retain top talent in the competitive AI job market. 3. Optimize your AI product offering. Refine and expand your AI product offering to better meet the needs of your target market. Gather feedback from customers and use their insights to improve your existing products and develop new, innovative solutions. Make sure your AI products are user-friendly and provide real value to your customers. We'll explore the process of product optimization and how to gather and incorporate customer feedback effectively. 4. Develop strategic partnerships. Form strategic partnerships with other businesses, research institutions, and industry experts to boost your AI startup's credibility and reach. These partnerships can help you access new resources, expand your market presence, and even develop joint solutions that drive growth. We'll discuss the benefits of strategic partnerships and provide examples of successful collaborations in the AI space. 5. Invest in marketing and brand building. With funding secured, you can now invest in marketing initiatives to increase your AI startup's visibility and attract more customers. Develop a strong brand identity that clearly communicates your startup's value proposition and mission. Utilize digital marketing channels, content marketing, and PR to reach your target audience and build your brand's reputation. We'll provide an in-depth overview of marketing strategies specifically tailored for AI startups, including tips on creating a compelling brand identity and leveraging various marketing channels effectively. 6. Implement scalable processes and systems. As your AI startup grows, so will the demands on your processes and systems. Invest in scalable infrastructure, such as cloud computing and automated tools, to support your expanding business. Streamline and automate repetitive tasks, like customer support and sales processes, to improve efficiency and maintain quality as you scale. We'll delve into the importance of scalable infrastructure and provide examples of tools and technologies that can help your AI startup operate efficiently as it grows. 7. Monitor progress and adapt. Regularly track your AI startup's performance against your growth roadmap and KPIs. This will help you identify areas of success and those that need improvement. Be prepared to adapt your strategies and pivot as needed to ensure continued growth and success. We'll discuss the importance of monitoring your startup's progress and provide tips on how to make data-driven decisions for ongoing growth. 8. Focus on customer success. Your customers are the backbone of your AI startup's growth. Prioritize customer success by providing top-notch support, continuously improving your products based on user feedback, and building long-term relationships with your clients. Satisfied customers are more likely to become brand advocates and help fuel your startup's growth through word of mouth and referrals. We'll discuss the importance of customer success and provide tips on how to create a customer-centric culture within your AI startup. 9. Foster a culture of innovation. To stay ahead in the rapidly evolving AI landscape, encourage a culture of innovation within your organization. This means providing your team with the necessary resources, time, and support to experiment with new ideas and technologies. Embrace failures as learning opportunities and celebrate successes. We'll explore ways to foster innovation within your AI startup, including creating an environment that encourages creativity and collaboration. 10. Maintain a long-term vision. While it's important to focus on immediate growth goals, don't lose sight of your AI startup's long-term vision. Keep an eye on emerging trends, technologies, and market shifts to ensure that your business remains relevant and competitive in the future. Continue to invest in research and development, and always be prepared to adapt your strategies as the industry evolves. We'll discuss the importance of maintaining a long-term vision and provide insights on how to stay ahead in the fast-paced world of AI. Conclusion. Scaling your AI startup post-funding can be a challenging but rewarding journey. By implementing these growth strategies, you can build a strong foundation for success and position your startup for long-term growth and profitability. Remember to stay focused on your vision, be adaptable, and always prioritize customer success. With dedication, hard work, and the right strategies in place, your AI startup is well on its way to becoming a major player in the industry.